How do I execute a string containing Python code in Python? How do I execute a string containing Python code in Python?
In the example, a string is executed as code using the exec function.
For statements, use exec string, Python 2/3, or exec string, Python 2. When you need the value of an expression, use a val string. However, the first step should be to ask yourself if you really need to. Executing code should generally be the position of last resort. It's slow, ugly, and dangerous if it can contain user-entered code. You should always look at alternatives first, such as higher order functions, to see if these can better meet your needs.
A val and exec are the correct solution, and they can be used in a safer manner. As discussed in Python's reference manual and clearly explained in this tutorial, the eval and exec functions take two extra parameters that allow a user to specify what global and local functions and variables are available. For example, in essence, you are defining the namespace in which the code will be executed.
Remember that from version 3 exec is a function, so always use execmastring instead of execmastring.